The Airpal transceiver. It just took me maximum 2 days to complete this transceiver. Does not take much time. Uh, Very easy to build. This is just testing the sound for the antenna side, for the RX side. This is the changeover switch for 7 to 14. We will test this antenna again. This is just with a teaser. Audio is good. Audio is quite good. So very easy to make transceiver. Won't take more than 2 days to build this, since most of the coils are already wound and supplied. The only coils that you need to wind are the T37-43 8 turns trifiller, and maybe two coils bifiller, and one for the final, and one RFC. So only a couple of coils in this transceiver, and they're quite easy to build. So if you are a home brewer and would like to try something on your try to use your test equipments, try to build something, make good use of your time, then I suggest you try Airpal, which is a good project. The advantages of Airpal is that this transceiver can last for a number of years without any issue, because these are all leaded components through all. You won't have any problem in changing them. But if you are going in for a SDR, lot of SDRs are there, but you never know how much long are they going to last, since the parts are hard to find, and circuits are quite complex, soldering is quite complex, and when which part blows up you would never know, since they are very sensitive to external like your any current coming from the antenna, or any of the DC voltage that you provide, which may be fatal for the SDR. So if you are looking for something very simple, then I would suggest that you go in for a conventional transceiver, and Airpal is a conventional transceiver and very simple to make, and there are very few parts. There are not much very parts on this. So I guarantee that if you have done some homebrewing earlier, it won't take more than 2 days to make this. Thank you.